What's up, kids? This is Moto Noir. I'm having a get shit done day today. I'm gonna go get my hair cut. Gonna pick some things that I need to work on for work. Pick those up. And what else? Picked some stuff up from the Apple store that I ordered. Decided to get a new computer. And I'm gonna pick up some accessories that I ordered online. Yeah, so. And then I'm gonna head over to DB and watch the MotoGP. My buddy Ducati NYC is out of town, hanging out with his mom. My girlfriend's out of town, she's hanging out with her mom. So, I'll see if Sus Russ or Riding Bikes NYC want to hang out and watch the GP. But first things first, I'm gonna get my hair cut. Actually, I'll stop at a convenience store first. Getting narrow. Some people were asking where I've been, and the answer is I didn't go anywhere. I have been right here. Didn't go anywhere. Still here. I mean, why would anyone own a car? Such a hassle here in this city. Parking is worse and harder. Just get a motorcycle. Get a motorcycle. Watch out for the Poe down here. They want to get you. They want to get you. Little flea market. It's kind of cool. It's awesome. Right underneath the BQE. Bunch of hipsters. I can say that. I probably include myself in that. Although now all the old hipsters, the millennial hipsters, they're all parents now. Just boring. They still live in the neighborhood, but they're all pushing strollers. Williamsburg has changed. Okay, first stop, convenience store. Gotta go to one specific one. People move too slow. Far too slow. I'm gonna make some quick work of my errands, man. That is a good thing, I think. Okay, now I'm gonna ride over to the shop and pick up some stuff. Beautiful Brooklyn. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I truly love this area of Brooklyn, Williamsburg. Used to live over here for a short time. Miss it. But I work here, so I don't really miss it too badly. Get around this guy. Fun to play with people, but I get bored. Coming through. That's better. That is better. Need to stop. Okay. Wake up, dude. Go around his ass. Hello. That girl never remembers. Okay. I know exactly what I need. These. Alright. Good. Great. Grand. Let's get out of here. Guess I'll walk over, actually. Alright, I'm going to walk over to the Apple Store. Okay, well, I picked up my stuff from Apple. Now, haircut time. Haircut time in the city. Haircut time. Isn't that silly? Roboling, roboling. My turn. I dressed far too warm for today. It is hot. It said 70 degrees, but it actually feels a little bit warmer than 70. Just a smidge. Union. I should have gone down there, actually. Oh well. Yep, should have gone down that way. Oh well. Oh well. Excuse me. Cut the corner nicely. Pardon me, kids. Yeah, back up. Listen to Dad. Listen to your father. Oh, there's construction. Fantastical. I think I probably could park there.